of Police Anjani Kumar Garu, our very distinguished and dear guest Lakshmi Manchu Garu, additional commissioners Chauhan Garu and Anil Kumar Garu, senior officers on the dais, the very special women present here, ladies and gentlemen, I am indeed honored to be here. Thank you so much for inviting me. A few weeks ago, I happened to visit the CP office in Bashir Bagh, and I happened to witness the morning ceremonial guard which is presented to the commissioner when he arrives. And it was such a sight. I am getting goosebumps remembering it now. It was an all-women team which gave the guard. And I was so struck by the poise, the dignity. There was a certain pride in knowing that this was a special task given to them, and they were doing it so well. And after it was all over, I joined them for a photograph. And they made me feel that they were honored to be photographed with me. I must confess, it was I who felt honored. It was such a privilege to be photographed with them. I noticed when I came here that the contingent which presented the Guard of Honor was again led by a lady. I felt so proud. I feel proud to be part of this family. I feel proud to be part of this womanhood. I feel proud to count myself as part of us. We, I am part of this we which is present here today. All of us present here are part of an elite. We are educated. We are holding responsible, challenging positions, and it falls upon us then to give something back to society. All of you who are in uniform are already doing that by being the face, the humane face of the police. Traditionally, it has always been perceived as a very harsh discipline, as a very harsh profession, and you have brought that humane touch to that profession. Hats off to all of you, not only through the SHE teams and the Bharosa teams, but you're all part of the General Police also, and that has brought a new image to the police. My compliments to all of you for that. Having said that, there is something which I mentioned the other day in another function related to International Women's Day, and I would like to put that message across here as well. International Women's Day is all about equality. It all emanates from the concept of feminism, and therefore men and women should be equal. That is the message which is meant to be conveyed on International Women's Day. And when we say that men and women should be equal, I would also like to emphasize the fact that men need to be equal to the women. There is a lot that we have done. There is a lot that we have achieved over the years. We have progressed a lot. We women have progressed a lot. And it is time now for the men also to progress. It is time now for the men to be equal to women. It is now time for the men to realize that you don't need to be aggressive to be strong. We have shown that we are strong without being aggressive. We have shown that we can be caring without being weak. It is time now for the men to be able to take control of their emotions, to be confident in showing those emotions. It's all right to cry once in a while. It's all right to be emotional, to be caring about your family and friends and society without being termed a sissy. It is time now for the men to step forward. It is time now for the men to be free mentally. And that is when we will all actually be equal. Thank you. Jai Hind.